is Tuesday, 12th November 2024. Let us start the day with the name of Almighty Allah. I would like to call the Muslim for the recitation of the Holy Quran and for its translation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى وأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
Now for quoting Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's hadith, Ali is here.
अल्लाह वाले वसल्लम ने फरमाया तुम में से कोई शख्स मोमिन नहीं होता जब तक उसके नज़दीक मैं उसके वालिद और उसकी औलाद और तमाम लोगों से ज़्यादा महबूब न हो जाऊँ.
One small positive thought can change your whole day, so let us be very serious in shaping our thoughts with positive attitude. I would now ask Ishal to share today's thought of the day.
The thought of the day is a well-educated mind has always more questions than answers.
We usually get confused about spellings of some words in English as they are spelled in two different ways. This is because British and American English have some spelling differences. The main difference is that British English keeps spellings of words as it has absorbed from other languages, mainly French and German, whilst American English spellings are mostly based on how the words sound when spoken. Technically, both American and British spellings of words are correct. However, if you are writing for British readers, you should only use British spellings. In one or two cases, the preferred American spellings are acceptable in British English as well. But it is important to stick with one style or the other throughout the same piece of writing. Some of my class fellows are here to tell you about the main ways in which British and American spellings are different.
The RE spelling originally comes from French. In the United States, it was replaced with ER to better reflect in American pronunciation. Words in British that can be spelled with either IZE or ISE at the end are always spelled with IZE at the end in American English. British spelling L is doubled in words ending in a vowel plus L. In American English, the L is not doubled. Words end in OUR and usually end in OR in American English.
Nouns that end with OGUE in British English either ends with OG or OGUE in American English.
Nouns that end with ENCE in British English are spelled ENSE in American English.
Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you and a big round of applause for 7D and Ms. Fatma. Thank you very much for such an informative presentation because yes, we always get confused with British and American English, but as we are following British curriculum, so we have to follow all the spellings which British has accepted, alright? So when you write color, so it will be COLOUR, not LOR, because LOR is American and LOUR is British, alright? Thank you.